Welcome to the HardReset.Info, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to network and internet, then click to internet section. To activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and after that you'll see here the list of the available networks. We can select one from this network. I'll go for example with this one. We can enter the password. If you want to see this password, click here to show password switcher, and after that I'll enter out of screen. After that, just tap here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. We can select here 1, 2, or 3 more networks, enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that we will see him there in Save Network section. If you want to turn off Wi-Fi, just click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel, and here you should find the mobile and internet section. Just click here once. To activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher. After that, select the network from the list of these networks. Tap to network, enter the password, and tap to connect. Now we have saved password of this network, so we'll just successfully connect to this. If you want to turn it off, just by the same way, click on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.